this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Today we have finished side reel roll forming machine. Here is the side reel. The side reel is a part of the cable ladder. We use two side reels, and inside we use the ladder rung, welding the ladder rung at the side reel so that how to make the cable ladders. This machine can produce two different profiles of side reel. Now we have this part of the rollers make one profile of side reel, and here we have another set of rollers, then produce another profile of side reels. So this one machine can produce two different profiles of side reels. If you are interested in cable ladder production machine or cable tray production machine, let's see more details. Now I'm standing at the roll forming machine beginning. This is the guide part. We have two sets of guides. This one is to produce one side of the profile, side reel profile, and this is another set of guiding to produce another set of side reels. You put the steer in one side. In the left side, you produce the side reel profile of this one, and if you put the steer strip on the left to right, you put another profile joint. That's how this machine works. After that, we have the leveling. We have 5 leveling rollers because the thickness we produce here is from 1.2 millimeters to 2 millimeters. So normally we will need leveling rollers before the punch part. After that, you can see we have the lens encoder. It's Koyo brand. It's a Japanese brand. It has a very precision at the lens. After that, we have the punch mode because there are connections at the head and the tail of each side reel profile, so that we need the punch here. Because we have two profiles, so we have two sets of punch stands on the machine part. After the punch mode, we are going to the Precut. These two are feeding rollers to feed the steel strip inside the hydraulic Precut system. We use the hydraulic Precut system when the cutting length is more than 3 meters long, or at least 2 meters long for this machine. And sometimes it is very good for many different sizes. If you have lots of size, especially for C profile and Z profile, we normally use Precut to reduce the machine cost. The Precut is suitable for any length. The Precut is suitable for any profile joint because it is cut before roll forming and it doesn't leave any wastage during the production line. So it is also a very good choice if the length is longer than 2 or 3 meters long. Totally roll forming machine we use here, it is 12 forming stations to make this very simple profile joint. More roll forming stations can release the steel stress smoothly so that the produced profile can come out more beautiful, more straight, and the customer can sell at a very good price. Now let's see how it runs. I have two sides of side reels. They're made by one set of rollers. They are in the same shape, but they have different size. The difference is the height here. Many customers need different height for the side reel. This machine can produce with different size. How it realized? Let's see more details at the roll forming machine. This set of rollers is to produce the profile I just showed. And how to realize the different size of the side reel? Here we have the changeable sleeves. These sleeves can be take out inside easily. When you take this in outside, you can produce a smaller size. The distance between rollers can be smaller, so we can produce different size. And don't forget to change all the forming stations, the sleeves. It's a manual way to realize one machine produce several sizes. Or in this machine, we can say one set of rollers to produce different size. And this is to another part of rollers. That part is another set of rollers to another profile, and another profile also can have different size. So if you have more questions about this machine, please feel free to talk with Linbay Machinery. We always offer you best and professional solutions about your forming machine. See you next time. Bye bye.